the handsome boy. You're so handsome, Redford. Yes, you are. You just look so serious. Leave her alone. And Palmer's coming up behind you. Good boy. Good boy, Redford. Good job.
He's been picking and choosing, so I'm just being careful. Yeah.
And definitely not by Lavender. That was good, Redford. Yeah, you act like you're like going to sleep so you can slowly crawl over that way. You're going to stretch a little further? See how close we can get to Redford? No, you really going to go to sleep? Well, she was acting like she was sniffing the dog bags as he was coming up behind us before. Like, I think she was like, yeah, I don't see him. But I could see her looking at him out of the corner of her eye. I saw you. I did. Poor Humphrey. He wanted to be friends and you probably would have nabbed him. Maybe not. Oh, squeaky toy.